Hello everyone, welcome here again guys. I'm here guys, I'm around now and I'm sorry if I'm not around for 3 days because my eyes very tired. And until now my eyes very tired and I have under eye bags and I'm sorry if it guys if I'm not around for 3 days. To be honest guys, my eyes is very tired because of what happened to Rene Batarbonia, our Philippine athlete here in the Philippines, and he is Ateneo basketball players. He's before guys. He's a former Ateneo de Davao student and Ateneo de Davao athletes, and he's also in the basketball player in the Ateneo de Davao. So when in June 8 guys, when I heard the news about him guys, I'm sad. Starting on June 8 guys, I'm very sad guys, until guys on June 24 on his burial. And naawa talaga ako sa pamilya niya at pamilya ni Rene, mga kaibigan ni Rene at saka kay Rene, naawa talaga ako sa kanila. And hindi ko mapigilan yung talaga yung feeling ko sa sarili ko na nakakasad at nakakasakit sa puso, na parang ang bata-bata pa naman, pero bakit ganun siya pang unang kinuha, bakit siya pang ganun ang naunang nakuha dito sa Bondo. And ang bait-bait pa naman, napakabait ni Rene, and makita mo sa mukha niya talaga napakabait niyang bata, napakamasunurin sa mga magulang, mapagmahal sa mga magulang, mapagmahal sa pamilya. Dito ko talaga na feel guys na ang masakit talaga, as in kung ako siguro ang naging magulang ni Rene, hindi ko kayang tanggapin na ganun nangyari guys. It's not very easy. I really feel their pain. Sobrang sakit guys, napakasakit. So ito ako ngayon guys, very sad. Masakit talaga, ang hirap tanggapin. Sana, I pray na Rene and his family, they will get justice soon. Masakit talaga guys, ang hirap tanggapin. Even guys, that Rene is not my relatives, it's not my cousin, but I really feel their pain. This is all guys that I will say. Thank you and God bless.